What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna replace wiper blades. If you're gonna do it in a perfect way you could possibly do, okay? So the wipers are cleaning nice and well. A lot of people just throw them on and bam, okay? And there's a puddle of junk down below which wiper grabs on. It'll take you 10 extra seconds to do it, but do it properly. Very simple, okay? So these, customer brought me these Rain-X. There's a price here, $4 and $4. So you get this job done with $8, no more than that. So there are sizes, you will see sizes, 18 inch and 26 inch. So the wiper blade on the driver's side on this Honda Accord is bigger than the passenger side. So I'm gonna show you a few things for safety, a few things to make these last longer and have them clean, nice and good, okay? So let's get to this. We're gonna bring the camera a little closer. All right, so first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift up this wiper blade here. One thing I want you to pay attention is you cannot let this fall back on once this wiper blade is off, okay? Because if it falls, it's gonna crack the windshield. So very simple. You remove the wiper blade by pushing the little tab here and you pull down on this wiper blade. So all you're doing is you're pushing down on this little guy right here. Push down on it and then you pull it out of there. Okay, so let's put this down here really nice and safe. Okay, what I like to do is take out the wiper blade, make sure you match it up, okay? It should be the same length, okay? So there it is. We could dispose the old one. All right, so one little thing I like to do is I like to clean the windshield, okay? But you can have your wiper blades on there and then you can clean the windshield, and before they touch and make sure the windshield is nice and clean, okay? It'll take you no more than 2 seconds. That's about it. So you take this wiper blade. So what we're gonna do is like a hook. This thing is like a hook. So it goes in there, it grabs and it clicks. Very simple. So you know what? Let me bring my camera a little bit closer so we both can see what's going on and how to put this wiper blade on, okay? You can do it with the one hand, okay? So simply you take this little guy, you stick it into that little hole and you push on it, and there you go. Okay, I'm gonna go to the opposite side. We're gonna do the same thing, but first we're gonna remove it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to remove it with one hand. I do not want to damage anything. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna push on this tab right there. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do it with the one hand. Okay, so you see how this wanted to go down? Once your wiper is off, if this goes down and hits right there, it will crack the windshield. So the best thing to do is remove it. Let me see if I can remove it right here. Okay, there you go. So I got the wiper off and it's gonna slide right off just like that. Okay, and I do not want to drop this, okay? You could just leave it up. Make sure you leave it up and do not, or you could just put it down slowly and leave it right there if you think it's gonna fall and break your windshield. So let me get the new wiper blade and we're gonna put it in together. So again, here's the new wiper blade. Make sure you match it up. It's the same length, okay? Rain-X. We're gonna dispose of that one. Make sure you put this up, does not fall. You're gonna take this little guy, you're gonna stick it in there just like that, and that's it. And there you go, it's nice and locked in. So the next step is we're gonna clean the windshield. All right, so here goes nothing. So all you're gonna do is, if my spray bottle here works, we're gonna simply just spray this down. Okay, a little bit of technical difficulties with my spray here. It was a little bit low, so I filled it up. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this windshield. Come on, pick up. There you go. Just spray it down really well. All the way up to there. And then what you're gonna do is, you don't have to clean the whole windshield, okay? But make sure there's no dirt and everything crazy stuff. So just clean here, very simple, because it needs to mate. It needs to meet that surface, okay? The surface has to be clean. If something is stuck in between, it's always gonna be scraping that thing around. So very simple, you clean it, okay? And after that, we need to put these wipers down. So you take one at a time and just let it sit there, okay? So let's say if this dirt and debris like this was sticking there, it will catch onto it and it'll just scrape on there. And the surface of the wiper is never gonna be perfect. So every once in a while, what you should do is take a clean rag. You should clean, pick up and clean, okay? Because over time, it is gonna grab stuff, okay? Dirt and stuff. So give it some life to it. So it's gonna give you a better time, okay? How often should you change this? I would do it every season, okay? Let's say once the winter goes away, winter is when it really gets damaged, okay? Because little ice, frozen ice, you always have that habit. You scrape that onto it, okay? And that kills the wiper blade. Okay, summertime, it rains a lot. In my area, it does. So after the rain or summer, I do change my wipers, okay? But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.